thinking all the time about the victims. This was a terrible accident. I know, I take the responsibility, but it wasn't intentional. I have never thought about hurting anybody in my entire life. And my Jesus Christ, you know that.
The truck driver, Rogel Aguilera, responsible for the deadly crash, he was supposed to spend 110 years to jail after 4 people lost their lives from that crash. But his years to jail has been shortened to 10 years after around 5 million people signed an online petition calling for clemency, and not just normal people, but also celebrities and billionaires like Shakira and Kim Kardashian were supporting this truck driver. Everyone felt sorry as it was an accident, but they still gave him a 10 years to jail for these 4 innocent people who lost their lives because of his mistakes. After Colorado Governor Jared Polley decided to shorten the prison sentence to 10 years, everyone was excited and even thanked the Colorado Governor Jared Polley for reducing the 110 years term to 10 years. Shakira wrote, "I'm heartened to know that when people come together, justice can still be pursued and we can all affect change. I hope we can continue to raise our voices wherever there is unfairness in the world, because there is so much of it and we are many." Thank you for choosing Rare News, and subscribe for more.